There are over 200 different species of woodpeckers worldwide, and they can be found on every continent except Antarctica, Australia, and New Zealand. Woodpeckers have specially adapted features to help them peck at trees, including a strong beak, a long, sticky tongue, and a reinforced skull. Their skulls have spongy bone that acts as a shock absorber to protect their brains from the force of pecking. Woodpeckers create nests by excavating holes in trees. These nesting cavities serve not only for breeding, but also as protection from predators. Interestingly, not all birds with pecker in their name are true woodpeckers. Birds like the flickers and sapsuckers are related, but have some distinct differences.